Welcome to Bogota. Before coming here, many friends and acquaintances warned us about visiting Colombia, fearing crime and personal safety issues. But I'm here to tell you that all those fears faded away when confronted with the reality of this amazing city. Sure, there are areas to avoid just like any big metropolitan city, but what we found exploring Bogota was a vibrant, welcoming place full of culture, food, and friendly faces. The historic La Candelaria district charmed us with its cobblestone streets and colorful colonial architecture. The warnings about Bogota being dangerous simply haven't matched our experience. Of course, you should take normal safety precautions like anywhere else. But violent crime is not something that has affected us or most other tourists here. So come join us, we show you around this misunderstood capital. Bogota just may surprise you the way it surprised us. We are atop the Monserrate Hill. There is a wonderful depiction of the Via Crucis. A visit to Bogota is not complete without visiting Museo del Oro, Gold Museum. You must visit the Boteros Museum to see his great masterpieces. This is as good as it gets. We are at the historic La Candelaria neighborhood.